Hello, friends. Welcome to Smart English Official. Learning English is fun here. I am Lima.
Hi, Lima. Hi, everyone. I am James. I am so happy today.
Hello, James. You look very happy. Why are you smiling?
I feel great today. I ate good food and I drank water.
Water is good. I like water too.
Yes, water keeps us healthy and strong.
That is nice, James. Today we will talk about something special.
Oh? What will we talk about today?
Today, we will talk about tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You mean the next day?
Yes, but not just tomorrow. I mean your life next year. Your life in the future.
Oh, I see. My future life.
Yes. We will learn why we should work hard today. Then we can be happy later.
That sounds good. I want to learn this.
Great. But first, we need to ask our friends something.
Yes. Friends, do you like our videos? Please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please. And please subscribe to Smart English Official. We make new videos every week for you.
Share our videos with your friends too. Learning English with friends is more fun.
Yes, thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, Lima, let's talk now.
Okay, James, close your eyes. Think about yourself next year.
Okay. I am thinking. I see myself. I am 1 year older.
Good. Now tell me, is that James happy? Is he doing well?
I think yes. I hope he is happy.
We all hope that. But here is the secret. Future James needs help from today's James.
I think I understand a little. Can you tell me more?
Sure, let's talk about English.
Okay, English.
Many people say, I am tired now. I will study later.
Yes. I say that too sometimes. Maybe tomorrow, I think.
We all do this. It is easy to sit and rest. It is easy to play games.
Yes, playing is easy and fun. Studying is hard work.
Right? But think about this. If you study English for just 15 minutes every day, what will happen?
After 1 year, I will know a lot of English.
Exactly. You can talk to new friends. You can watch cartoons in English. You can read English books.
Wow, that is cool. Future James will be very smart.
Yes. And future James will say, thank you to today's James. Thank you for studying every day.
I like that. My future self will thank me.
Yes. This idea works for many things, not just English.
Like eating healthy food?
Yes, tell me about your food, James.
Well, I want to be strong. I want to play football very well.
Football is great. Do you practice every day?
I try, but sometimes I am lazy. Sometimes I just want to watch TV.
TV is fun and easy. Practice is hard.
Yes, very hard.
But what does future James want?
Future James wants to be a good football player. He wants to be healthy and fast.
So when you practice today, you are helping future James.
Oh, I am giving something good to him.
Yes, exactly. You are not working hard for nothing. You are building a better you.
That makes me feel good. But Lima, sometimes it is still very hard.
I know, our mind likes easy things. But I have a trick for you.
A trick? What is it?
Don't think about big things. Think about small things.
Small things? What do you mean?
Don't say, I must speak perfect English. That is too big. It is scary.
Yes, that feels impossible.
Instead, say, I will learn 3 new words today. Just 3 words.
3 words? That is easy. I can do that.
Or say, I will read 1 small story today.
1 story? That takes maybe 5 or 10 minutes.
Exactly. And if you do every day, after 1 year, you will know more than 1,000 words.
Wow! 1,000 words! That is amazing.
See? Small steps every day make you very strong in the future.
So I should do a little bit every day?
Yes. Doing a little every day is better than doing a lot one time. Like brushing teeth. You brush teeth every day, not 1 time every month.
Ha ha. Yes. If I brush 1 time every month, my teeth will be very bad.
Exactly. Same with English. Practice every day, even if just a little.
I understand now. Lima, can I ask you something?
Yes, ask me.
What about saving money? Does this idea work for money too?
Oh, yes. Very good question. This is very important for money.
How?
Think about this. If you buy candy every day, you are happy now. Today's James is happy.
Yes, candy is yummy.
But if you save that money in a piggy bank, future James can buy something big. Maybe a bicycle, maybe a new toy.
Oh, so saving today helps future James get better things.
Exactly. You are being kind to yourself. You are being your own friend.
That is a new way to think. I never thought like that before.
Sometimes we help our friends, but we forget to help ourselves.
True. I help my friends, but I don't always study.
We all do that. But remember this. Time will move forward no matter what.
Time will move forward? What does that mean?
Okay, imagine it is next year, the same date.
Okay, I am imagining.
That day will come. Time does not stop. We cannot stop time.
Right? Time keeps moving.
So, next year will come. You can arrive there with good English, or you can arrive there with no English. Time passes the same way.
Oh! So I should use my time well.
Yes, use your time to grow. Use your time to learn.
I feel excited now, Lima. I want to do something today.
Wonderful. What will you do?
I will practice English for 10 minutes after this video.
Great job, James. Future James is smiling at you now.
Thank you, future James. And Lima, what will you do?
I will read an English book for 15 minutes.
That is good. Everyone has 15 minutes.
Yes, we spend a lot of time on phones and tablets.
True. We watch videos and play games for a long time.
So we can use some of that time for learning instead.
Yes. Put away the phone, pick up a book, or watch videos like this one.
Exactly. Watching this video right now is helping your future self.
Everyone watching now is doing great. You are learning new words. You are practicing listening.
Your future self is very proud of you right now.
Keep going. Don't stop learning.
James, I really enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too, Lima. I feel happy. I feel strong. I know I can make my future better.
Yes, you can. Every small thing you do today helps your tomorrow.
I will remember this always.
Good. I think we should finish now.
Yes, we have things to do. We have to go practice.
Yes. But before we go, we have one question for everyone watching.
Yes. What will you do today for your future self?
Will you read? Will you practice English? Will you exercise? Will you be kind?
Please tell us in the comments below. We want to read your ideas.
When you write in the comments, it helps you remember. It is like making a promise to yourself.
And don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Official channel.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English.
Yes, let's learn together and grow together.
Thank you so much for watching today. Remember, small steps today make big changes tomorrow.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Keep learning, keep smiling.
Your future self will thank you.
Bye.